Do you ever wonder how top reps always have meetings on the calendar while you're still praying your sequences convert? It's not luck. It's not automation. They have a lead strategy you've never been taught. And I'm going to break it down for you right now. Guys, my name is Neil. I'm your sales misfit coach, and I have over 10 years in SaaS as an SDR and AE with 5+ years as a sales leader and trainer. And I help SDRs smash quota and get promoted to AE as fast as possible. Now, a lot of you are asking if I have a course. I do not, but I have reopened slots for one-on-one coaching and have only a few spots left. It is first come, first serve. So if you're interested in working with me now, click on the calendar link below and book a free 10-minute consult with me directly to see if I can help you. The link is below, guys. Back to the video. Guys, you're playing a 2020 game in a 2025 world. Let me tell you about Jess, one of the best reps I've ever coached. Smart, consistent, could outwork anyone, but her pipeline was terrible. She told me, I'm calling, I'm emailing, I'm hitting 90 activities a day, still not getting replies. I looked at her target list, I looked at her messaging, and I saw the same mistake 90% of SDRs make. She was contacting the right titles, but completely at the wrong time. Old data, cold leads, no signal, no context. She was spending hours a day prospecting people who were never going to convert. If your inputs are rubbish, your outputs are going to be rubbish, no matter how hard you work. This isn't about working harder. It's about building a targeting system that gets easier the longer you use it. Build a lead engine. This is the lead lens system I teach my clients, and it helps SDRs find, filter, and frame their best fit leads daily. L equals look for buying triggers, not just titles. Forget job titles. What you're really looking for are change events. They raised a round, hired a new VP, got new funding, posted a new job ad, commented on a competitor's post. This one is massive. Change creates urgency. Urgency creates meetings. E, eliminate lead fluff. Pull a list from your CRM or data tool. Cool. Now delete 80% of it. Run it through this checklist. Are they still in business? Is their LinkedIn active? Have they changed roles recently? Does their team size make sense for your offer? Cut the junk, keep the gems. A, align messaging to their role plus company stage. What you say to a $1 million startup VP is not what you say to a $500 million enterprise director. Adjust it for size, funding stage, role type, sales cycle complexity. Contextual outreach equals reply-worthy outreach, guys. E, deepen personalization at scale. Use light personalization that shows you did 10 seconds of research, a comment they made, a new hire they posted, a phrase in their bio, and tie it directly to a pain they're likely feeling. For example, you just hired 3 reps, wondering how you're setting them up to hit quota fast. A few sales leaders I'm working with are struggling to scale enablement after onboarding. And that's exactly what we helped ABC companies solve. Lens, layer your outbound channels. Don't just email, layer it. LinkedIn direct messages, add a voice note on there. Cold call, follow-up comments, cold email with a relevant story. Your goal is to make the buyer feel like your timing is perfect, even though it's outbound. Now back to Jess. Remember her? We rebuilt her lead list using Lead Lens. We narrowed her target to 50 hyper-relevant accounts. We crafted custom messaging, not fully bespoke, but personal enough to feel human. 8 days later, she had 14 meetings, 4 pipeline ops, 1 closed one that hit a quota for the month. Her VP called me and said, whatever you did, it's working. Can we roll this out team-wide? Because when you stop being noise, you start getting noticed. Guys, this week, you're going to build your lead engine. Here's your 3-part mission. Number 1, rebuild your targeting strategy today. Pick one industry, pick one persona, pick one pain point, go deep instead of wide. Number 2, scrap and rebuild your lead list. Audit every contact. Use filters in LinkedIn, whichever data tool you're using, or your CRM. Build a 25-person sniper hit list. Number 3, add 3 layers of context to every outreach touch. Ask, why now? Why me? Why this? Answer those before you hit send or dial that number. No more just checking in. No more thought I'd reach out. You are now operating with intent. You've now got a complete lead generation system that actually works in 2025. But here's a problem most SDRs still face. They get a reply and blow it on the call because they don't know how to tell a story. They don't know how to make the pain real. They don't know how to sell without sounding like a robot. So in this next video, I will break down sales storytelling, stories that sell, script, structure, and examples. Click that now. Let's turn your new leads into actual pipeline with story-driven selling that converts.